Yeah, let's continue, my lovely people. Come on, man. Move. Next slide. Yeah. Understanding crypto charts and graphs, part 3. Volume support and resistance. This one is super important when you are checking out the chart. Make sure to check RSI. This, sorry, support and resistance, not the RSI is really, that's important too, but this one is like super important. Volume analysis, the pulse of the market, like I said. Volume shows the amount of an asset traded over a specific period, indicates the strength of a price move. High volume during a price rise signals strong buying interest. High volume during a price fall signals strong selling interest. Key volume concepts: volume spike. A sudden increase in volume suggests strong momentum. Volume divergence is if price is rising but volume is dropping, it could signal a weak trend of potential reversal. Volume confirmation, confirm breakout or breakdown with volume. Higher volume is equal to stronger move. Have a quick read about this. Support and resistance, key price levels. Support price level, where an asset tends to find buying interest and bounces up. Act like a floor, buyer comes in and push prices higher. So support is, for example, let's say BTC is currently around 87, and that's the support, and resistance is gonna be like the super low, how low it can go, that will be its resistance. It will resist. I usually get confused between both of these, but yeah, I'm clear of good now. So resistance is price where it resists, it doesn't go below that point, but if it could go, that's possible, but that's like a point, like a point from where it will go again up, then it will go like super high. Let's say 85 was the resistance, it was resisting at 85, and support was around 87. So it wasn't going up from 87 and it wasn't going down from 85, but it can change with the time. But you can check for the time frame, like let's say you're checking the chart for 3 hours, so you'll check what was the support and what was the resistance and what was the support. So you will take the trades accordingly in between. Like you won't take, you set your liquidation price accordingly. If you are like taking super high risk, then you will like ignore the support and resistance levels. But if you're like scalp trading or like swing trading, this is the key. How to identify support and resistance? You can draw horizontal lines, draw lines where price consistently bounces or reverses. Trend lines, diagonal lines that connect higher low support or lower highs resistance. Round numbers, psychological levels like 10K, 50K, etc. often act as support resistance. Breakouts and breakdowns. Breakout price moves above resistance with high volume potential or potential for bullish trend. Breakdown price falls below support with high volume potential for bearish trend. Tip: always use volume to confirm support resistance breaks for higher accuracy. Yeah, let's go to the next slide. I hope your this concept is good and clear. Explained it nicely, but still, if you guys have some questions, do let me know. All right, that's pretty much it. We'll discuss this in the next lecture. So let me quickly show you the chart. Let's go here. Hmm, Binance. You can download it from there too if you guys wanna keep it with you. This is like academic source, I would say. Come on, man, I want to see a big picture. So this website, it explains all and everything about the charts, how you can understand what kind of patterns are there, how it works. See, this is the one I've got with me. Like I was telling you guys, if you guys can see here, one candle patterns. So these are bullish patterns: hammer, inverted hammer, diagonally doji, bullish, spinning top. These are one single candle patterns, and these are on the other side. This is bearish, hanging man, shooting star, and gravestone, doji, bearish, spinning top. These are two candle patterns: bullish, kicker, bullish engulfing, bullish harami. That's just the name, you know. Piercing line, tweezer bottom, I guess, yeah. And the bearish ones, bearish kicker, bearish engulfing, bearish harami, dark cloud cover, tweezer top. These are neutral ones, like it's either way here, and three candle patterns: morning star, morning doji star, bullish, abandoned baby. Nice one. Three white soldiers. See these three white soldiers. They're a good sign. Three line strike, three inside up, three outside up. So this little, can you see here? This is like the high, and this is like the low of a candle. All right. And the bearish ones: evening star, evening doji star, bearish abandoned baby. That's cute. Abandoned baby. Three black crows. Oh, nasty man, dangerous, super 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 dangerous. Three line strike, three inside down, three outside down. So this is like basic. If you wanna, you see here, they're explaining, what is a candle wick. This is like high. This is open. This is like all-time high. This is gonna show the all-time high price. This is gonna show the open. It's gonna open from here. This is the close. The wick is closing, and this is like the super low point where it's ending. This is like basic candle sheet, candlestick cheat sheet, according to them. So it explains everything down here. You guys can have a look here, go through it, read it, and like see the big pictures if you want to. And it works similar with the RSI indicators and other tools. So if I can show you guys, this is the trading view, the app I told you in my previous lecture. So you can choose from here if you want to draw the lines. This mosquito, man, this is a nasty weather. See, you can draw a line like this. I'm just drawing to show you. So come on, one here, one down there, another one, another one. So according to these lines, you can see like the resistance level and the support level. So that's how you can play around with it and change the settings. See the indicators here, technicals. You'll see all of the things here. It's a bit complicated, but if you spend enough time, you will understand. It's not tricky. It's not like something which you cannot understand if you're like really into it, and if you want to understand it. From here you guys can change the chart view line like this. It's here, but most commonly the chart which is used is the one I told you with the candle. This one. Come on, man. Yeah, candles. And on the exchange, you will see like Bollinger setting. I don't know where is it gone from here, man. I use like the chart of my exchange, usually, but I do use this one as well. Be somewhere down there, but yeah, you guys got the basic idea of charts here. I tried my best to show you as well, like how it works and everything. So yeah, I mean, I hope you are learning something, and thank you guys, folks, for listening to me. I'm doing this, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye.